muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating last game sa ating Seniors Division Game 2 between ayan, napakaganda ang ating susunod na laban, our main event, the Ducks team versus the Warriors. Sa mga panapanabik na laban ng ating masasaksihan ngayong gabi, sino kaya ang unang makakakuha ng unang panalo this season sa ating Santa Lucia League 2025 Seniors Division? So let's start. Let the battle begin. Sa aking kalawa, ang black team, ang Ducks. At sa aking kanan naman, ang Warriors. Hi Coach Jerry. Angan. Let's the battle begin dito sa ating barangay Santa Lucia.
Maroon Warriors. Maroon and Poland. Okay, first time, go team.
Sa mga nakapula, Philip Volante, pass to Paul, to Angel, go good. Rebound by Paul Cardenas. Movis, pass to Jeng. Nasa corner, too strong, out of bounds. Wala rito ng Warriors. Step back to no good. Rebound by Tobias. First basket para sa Ducks. Nagmula kay Tobias. Paul. Pass to Ivan. Paul. Backdoor pass to Philip. Philip for 3. In and out. Nandun para sa putback si Kuya Jai. And the first basket para sa Warriors. Nagmula yan kay Jai. Sugan. Teodoro. Backdoor pass to Paul. Uy, back to Joe. Wala. Rebound by Angel. Ayun na. Parang Angel, but there's a foul. Number 3, Tobias. Gets a 3, no good. Rebound by Paul. Second shot para kay Tobis. Basket. Balik ang kalamangan sa mga nakitim. Back to Angel. Angel pull up J, no good. Rebound by Paul. Pass to Tobis. Back to Paul. There's a foul. The free throw era just number 12, Paul Cardenas. Basket. Ivan Salvador. Miscommunication. Jeng 4-3, wala. Ball. It's a foul. Base.
Nadali pa yung ano mo. Transport mo.
Basket by Angel. Naka-field goal na rin dito si Idol Angel. Number 4 to Cardenas. Box number 4. Field by Angel. Angel derecho. Okay, missed the shot. Ayan na. Cardenas. Uy, by Peter. Now Derek Gagawan. Kick out. Volante. No good. Rebound by Volante. Top of the key. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Joe. To Peter Lozano. We steal by Volante. Volante. Uy. Makuha ni Angel. And there's a foul. No good. Oh, para sa putback si former Kagawad Eric Tenorio. Tabla tayo sa 6. Jeng to number 4. Pass to Cardenas for 3. Yes sir. By Paul Cardenas. Philip, binigay, bad pass. Nahas Adam, nandito na rin. At pinasok na rin si Lawrence Pingol para sa Warriors. God Eric. Pass to Lawrence. To Adam. Using the board. Wala. Rebound by Peter. Outlet pass. Chodoro. And one. By Jeng Chodoro. Timeout. Warriors. Time remaining 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Ayan natin ang hadal ng Warriors by Coach Jerry Angan.
Diretso na kami kami.
Chodoro, one shot is good. 12-6. Tenorio, no good. Out of bounds. Number 4-3. Big Oro. Giant. Warriors under penalty situation. Smart move by Jeng Chodoro. Bad pass to Chodoro. Adam. kailangan ng Ducks. Four, three, wala. Teodoro. Tenorio, 4-3, wala. Ibang bayada. Mga basket. Bayango. Teodoro using the board. Basket. Basket by number 25. Adam Manglahas. By Paul Cardenas. That's 49 seconds. Pass to Jervin. Number 4 for 3. 3-point by Jan Big Coro. Last 17 seconds tayo. Late ako. Rebound. Salvador Arthur. Sorry. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score is 13-16. Second quarter tayo. Second quarter, let's go. Peter is the corner. Yes, three, no good. Ooh, Angel. Lozano, pass to former Cags. So good. Bien, 4-3, no good. Defensive rebound. Lozano. Pass to Kagawad. Good. Rebound by Angel. Pass to Paul. Paul for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Si Paul, bounce pass to Kabergs, basket by Jervin. Angan, down by 10. Lozano, pass to Kagawad. Kagawad, blocked there by Ivan, number 25, no good. Rebound by Angel. Angel, outlet pass, steal by Lozano. Out of bounds. Pass to Ivan. Ivan nagpapadalit. Nagkalusot. Steal. Makuha ng Ducks. 2 against 2. Bien, derecho. Basket. Steal. Outlet pass to Bien all the way. No good. Rebound by Angel. Pass to Kabergs. Kabergs. Floater. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line of jersey number 30. Jervin. Angan. My idol. First shot para kay Kabergs, wala. Second shot para kay Kabergs. Basket is good. Lozano. Pass to Kagawad. Coach Peter for 3. Yes sir, para sa 3. Paul. Ivan, jump shot, short, rebound by Kabergs. Pass to Paul. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Steal by Kabergs. Ayan, hindi nakuha ni Kabergs. Kagawad for 3, wala. Sorry that. Arthur. Pass to Kabergs. Pass to Salvador. Back to Kabergs. Kabergs, top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound by Salvador. Arthur. Pass to Nuke. Back to Salvador. To Angel. To Nuke. Back to Salvador. Blocked by Joe. Ayan na. Si Kagawad. Pass to number 88. Ooh, what a nice layup by Bien. Paul. Pass to Kabergs. Back to Paul. Paul susubok sa 3, wala. Rebound by Kaberks. Pass to Nuke. And there's a foul.
Foul is number 5.
5 remaining, 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Nuke on the free throw area. By Swan, by Kuya Jerry. Nuke. Basket. 23-37 tayo. Jeng Chidoro, wala. Out of bounds. Volante. Alfonso. Volante for 3, wala. To Angel, no good. Basket by Salvador. Arthur. Tobis. So Jeng. Basket is good. Alfonso for 3, wala. Out of bounds. Alfonso's with Jerry, short. Arthur, no good. Rebound by Anko. Pass to Jeng. Chidoro pass to Kagawad. Pamboy de la Cruz. Alfonso to Philip, no good. Rebound by Tobis. Outlet pass to Kagawad. And there's a foul. Number 8, Philip Volante. Shooting at the line by jersey number 7. Kagawad, Pamboy de la Cruz. Uy, no good. Wala pa rin. Jeng Chidoro with the easy 2 points. Jack Rejai, basket. What a fake. Ador. Ay, sorry, that's Angeles. Jeco.
Ay, Abby.
Eh, shoutout muna tayo, pare. Pare, sama. Shoutout daw po. Abi, Shoutout po sa may bahay ni paring Jeng Chidoro. Ayan, kay Mrs. Abby. Hi, Abby daw po. Kung nanonood ka po na ating live. Mrs. Chidoro, Abby. Alright. Uy, sa loob. Angel and one. May kasama pang foul by Angel. (29-43) for 3-point play. Paring Angel. Basket is good. Down by 13. Last 2 minutes tayo. Tobis for 3, in and out. Rebound by Alfonso. Alfonso, uy. Oh, good. Alfonso, pass to Volante for 3, wala. Rebound by Angel. Angel, stop and pump. Yes, sir. Naglalag na tayo. Pull up jumper, no good. Yeah, Jai, nagmamadali. Jai, pull up Jay, basket. Ayan na with a single digit. Siyam na lamang ang inahabol ng Warriors. Alfonso for 3, wala. Rebound by Angel. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by Chidoro. Chidoro setting on the play. Last 20 seconds.
Yeah, boy, for 3.
Ako for 3, wala. Rebound by Salvador. Salvador, nagmamadali. Binigay. Volante, top of the key for 3, wala. Rebound by Angko. Tobis for 3. Whoa! It's a 3-point buzzer beater by Kenneth Tobis. Wala na. Okay. Shoutout mo tayo kay parang Christian Flores. Yeah. Okay, magkakat po muna tayo for the meantime. At the half, official score is 46-34. Hanggang sa mali.